Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix NBA 2K25 game any kind of lagging or stuttering problems. I will show you how you can optimize your PC for this game, and you just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. So the first solution is you can go to the Windows setup at the core isolation and open it. And guys, once you open up this setting you will see the memory integrity. Now you just need to make sure that this setting is off. So it will also increase your FPS and it can fix any kind of lag or stuttering problems in your game. And it is for the security purposes, so it is not important, so you can off it. Now guys, we are going to set the high performance power plan. So you can go to the Windows setup, hit the control panel and open it. And now guys, here you will see the power option. You will just click on the view by. I selected the large icons, click on the power option. On the left hand side, click on the create a power plan. And guys, here just select the high performance, click on the next option and click on the create. Once you created the high performance power plan, just click on the change plan settings and click on the change advanced power settings. Now guys, here just scroll down, you'll see the PCI Express. Just open it, open up the link state power management, and here you can turn off it and open up the processor and open up the minimum, and here you can just type these values. Guys, these are very important. This will fix any kind of shear freezing or the lagging issues, and you can set the system cooling policy to active and also set to the 100 or the maximum power state. Then just double click on the wireless adapter setting, double click on the power saving mode and just select these two to the maximum performance. Guys, once you select it, click on apply, click on the OK. Now just simply close it. And then just simply restart your PC and restart your Steam, launch your game and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, now guys, we are going to increase the number of processors. Go to the Windows setup, here the system configuration and open it. Now go to the boot, click on the power options. Now just check this box of the number of processors and select here you can maximum number of processor. Whenever your game need more resources to run, now your maximum number of processor will be used. Then click on apply, click on the OK. Then just simply restart your PC and launch the game and hope your problem will be fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.